In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change update email account settings in Outlook. We'll cover both the new Outlook for Windows and the classic desktop app so you can follow along no matter which version you use. I'll keep things clear and practical and point out what you can and can't change in each experience. If you are on the new Outlook for Windows, start by opening Settings. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the sidebar. From there, go to Accounts, then choose your accounts. You'll see a list of the accounts you've added. Find the one you want to adjust and click Manage next to it. This area lets you set an account as your primary. Remove an account you no longer need or update certain sync preferences. Those preferences typically control how and when Outlook syncs your mail, which can help with performance or data usage. The new Outlook is designed to be simpler, so deep server settings aren't exposed here. If you just need to make basic adjustments, this is the quickest way. Be mindful that removing an account will stop mail and calendar sync for that account in Outlook, so only remove it if you are sure. If you are using the classic Outlook desktop app, you'll find more detailed controls. Click the File tab in the top left corner to open the Backstage view. Choose Account Settings and then Account Settings again from the drop-down. Depending on what you need to change, you may use Server Settings or Reset Fay Repair from the Microsoft Account Settings menu. Especially if you are updating a password or the server names for POP or AMAP accounts. Select the email account you want to modify and click Repair. A new window will open. Under Advanced Options, check Let me repair my account manually. Then click Repair. This puts you in control of the configuration screen where you can update your incoming mail and outgoing mail server names and other POP FayTMAP settings. If you are unsure of the correct server addresses or ports, consult your email provider's documentation so everything matches their requirements. You can also update the display name that recipients see. Select the email account you want to modify, choose Change, and update your name field. Note that this option isn't available for Exchange accounts, which are managed by your organization. That's it. Thanks for watching.